Hello friends, welcome to Chef's Menu. Today I am going to make ginger pickle. Ginger pickle you can make either with tamarind or with tomato. Here I am going to show the ginger pickle with tamarind. So let's start our ginger pickle. Here I am going to take 100 grams of tamarind and I am going to soak it with hot water overnight or at least for 3 to 4 hours. I added 1 cup of hot water with 100 grams of tamarind. For pickle I am going to use sesame oil. You can use sesame oil or mustard oil, or if you like vegetable oil also you can add, but it's better to add sesame seed oil. I have taken 150 ml of sesame seed oil for 300 grams of ginger. Ginger, just peel out little bit, cut it into small pieces and we'll fry it in hot sesame oil for just 3 to 4 minutes. Do not over fry it, otherwise you will have some bitter taste in your pickle. Now you can see the ginger is already fried. We'll take out the pulp from the tamarind and we'll boil it for some time so that the raw smell will go, and also we'll add some jaggery and salt here. Salt and jaggery just add according to your taste. If you do not want to add jaggery, you can skip it. I like little sweetness in the pickle, so I'm going to add some jaggery and some salt. And after boiling tamarind with salt and jaggery, we'll add this mixture to the oil. Now you can see it is thickened little bit and the raw smell is also gone. Now I am going to add this to the leftover oil in which we fried the ginger. First of all, I am going to make a coarse paste of the ginger, and then I am going to add the tamarind pulp to the hot oil. Now mix it well and cook it on medium heat for a couple of minutes. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt for ginger, because before we added salt only for tamarind. Now I added salt for ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more spice if you want. And after that we'll add the ginger paste. After you add ginger paste, switch off the burner. Do not cook it after adding ginger paste. Just mix it well, and at last we are going to add some pickle powder, which is my homemade pickle powder with cumin, fenugreek seed and fennel seed. You can see the recipe of that powder in my channel also. Now you can see I added the ginger. The burner is off now, and after mixing it well, just keep it aside. When it will cool down little bit, then we'll add our pickle powder. Here I am going to add some extra fennel seed powder. This is just raw fennel seed powder. I didn't roast it. And after that some chili powder, and at last I am going to add the fenugreek seed, cumin seed and fennel seed, some roasted chili powder that usually I make for other pickle and curries also. That powder here I am going to add 1 tablespoon and mix it all well, and just add 1 teaspoon of vinegar at last if you want to keep it outside for long time. Long time means I mean for 6 months to 1 year. If you want to keep it outside, just add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, that will work as food preservative. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Now you can follow me in Instagram also. Thank you for watching.